persons or convict is sentenced to death as by law provided on each of the said counts numbers 1, 2, and 3. However, as by law required, execution of the sentences on counts numbers 2 and 3 shall be held in abeyance because the sentence on the first count renders the same sentence on the other counts with regard to the same convicts moribund. B, on counts numbers 4 and 5, which relate to the first and sixth accused persons only, each of the first and sixth accused persons is sentenced to 10 years imprisonment with effect from the date of first committal to remand custody. C, on counts numbers 6 and 7, which relate to the second accused person only, the second accused is sentenced to 10 years imprisonment from the date of first committal to remand custody. On count number 8, which is against the fifth accused person only, the fifth accused is sentenced to 10 years imprisonment with effect from the date of first committal to remand custody. Sentences imposed on counts 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 shall run concurrently for the respective convicts. Also, execution of sentences in respect of counts 4 and 5 for the first accused person, and in respect of counts 6 and 7 for the second accused person, shall be held in abeyance in view of the sentence imposed in respect of the first 3 counts. Firearms and ammunition produced in the course of this trial shall be forfeited to the state. However, since there is a related murder trial still ongoing before the High Court against the first to the fourth accused persons, the order for forfeiture shall take effect only upon conclusion of that trial. Any party to the case who is not satisfied with the conviction or otherwise in relation to the person who was the seventh accused, or any of the sentences, or both, has the right to appeal within 14 days from the date hereof,